Discover Syscoin, a game-changing blockchain that merges Bitcoin's security with Ethereum's adaptability. Launched in 2014 as a spin-off of Bitcoin, Syscoin has evolved into a complete, adaptable system aimed at driving the future of decentralized applications. The Syscoin platform utilizes a dual-chain architecture, integrating the security of Bitcoin's proof-of-work with the smart contract functionality of Ethereum. Its three main chains, the UTXO, NVM, and Rolex Layer 2, provide a robust and versatile foundation for a wide range of applications. Notably, Rolex, an EVM Layer 2 rollup, stands out due to its remarkable performance, cost-effectiveness, and scalability, all while being secured by Bitcoin through merged mining. Hello everyone, welcome back to BB Elevate. Today we're diving into Syscoin and exploring its future potential. Stick with me for the next 2 minutes to discover what makes Syscoin so exciting. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Syscoin is more than just another blockchain. It's a glimpse into the future. Imagine a world where Syscoin isn't just a technology, but the backbone of innovations we can only begin to imagine, like the metaverse, IoT, and smart cities. What secrets does Syscoin's roadmap hold? With cutting-edge technologies like ZK rollups and Deosis, it's set to quietly yet profoundly reshape the way we think about privacy, scalability, and even the very concept of financial management. But the real question is, are we ready for what comes next? Syscoin's native token, SYS, is key to its ecosystem. With a market capitalization of $123.72 million and supply 792.52 million tokens, SYS is used for low transaction fees, staking, and rewarding participants. Its deflationary nature is similar to Ethereum's, making it a promising asset for long-term investors. Looking ahead, Syscoin's price is expected to rise. By 2025, estimates suggest it could hit between 0.07 and 0.22, which means a potential 188% increase from now. Some forecasts even predict Syscoin could reach $100 by 2031, making it an exciting opportunity for investors. Now the question is, SYS is safe to invest? Syscoin, the security-focused base layer, provides guarantees of ultimate security and decentralization to all the super-fast low-cost layers that are built on top, or that are integrated with Syscoin's ZKDA. You can buy and trade Syscoin in numerous cryptocurrency exchanges, including trading platforms like Binance, MEXC Global, Qcoin, Bitmart, Huobi, and Gate.io. Syscoin. Overview: our analysis of the technical indicators suggests that the current market feeling is bullish-bearish 3%, with a fear-greed index score of 28, fear. Over the last 30 days, Syscoin has had 10, 30, 33% green days and 17.72% price volatility. As we wrap up for today, in summary, Syscoin combines the strengths of Bitcoin and Ethereum, leading the way toward a decentralized and scalable future. With its strong architecture and promising price predictions, Syscoin is definitely one to watch. If you're excited about Syscoin's potential, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching BB Elevate.